Today we will do a wall clock activity. For this we will be needing a paper plate, numbers 1 to 12. I have written numbers on a piece of paper and I have cut it into small squares like this. Some glue and 2 earbuds. Let's start the activity. First take some glue and apply it on the paper plate and start sticking number 12 first. Then take some glue, apply it. You can write the numbers with a pencil on the paper plate before you stick these numbers, so that it will be easy for you to stick the papers on it. So let's stick 3. Take some glue. Let's stick number 9. Six. 1. Light blue. 2. 10 and 11. Once you're done sticking the numbers like this, take a long earbud, put some glue in between, and take a earbud, cut it into half